What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I've been putting this off long enough, so without any further ado, it's time to welcome you to episode 1 of Project Civic. Let's check it out. Nothing too exciting today, guys. Just wanted to welcome y'all to the start of my new little series I'm going to be doing with this 2007 Civic LX 5-speed manual. And unfortunately, that project is going to start out with a new clutch and flywheel. I guess it's a great place to start, but unfortunately, my clutch did go out the week before last week. So, driving the Eclipse right now, so that's really not a bummer, but down the Civic for right now, waiting on the clutch to get in. Got a lighter flywheel as well. I'll throw those up on the screen so you guys can, take a peek at what I'm getting. Overall, I really just wanted to introduce the car to you guys. It hasn't made an appearance on the channel yet, so it's about to start getting some showtime. And we're going to be starting with, like I said, the clutch and a new flywheel, and we're going to be building from there. Don't want to spoil too much. Got some simple little stuff. Not expecting anything crazy out of this car, but it is my daily. It's a fun car when it can be, and may as well improve it while I got it. With that being said, hope you guys enjoy it and stick around for the fun. And if y'all wouldn't mind doing me a favor and hitting that like and subscribe button down below, keeping you up to date with whatever I got going on, and go check out my Instagram and TikTok just because I try and keep active on everything. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.